Good morning, transition. Today we're gonna be talking about money, and I know you guys know what is money because mommy and daddy always buy things for the house. They pay for your school, they pay for your toys, and for your supplies, and everything that you have is because your daddy and mom spend some money on it. So today we're going to see how the Colombian pesos look like. I know you already know that, but because we are in math class, we're going to make a role play in order to know which bills can I use to pay for what I have in my store. So let's say that I have a store, and in my store I have some elements. Let's see, I have a speaker, that and the price is 100,000 pesos. Repeat, 100,000 pesos. I also have Lightning McQueen. How much is my Lightning McQueen, guys? Let's repeat, 50,000 pesos. 50,000 pesos. Okay, I also have this lovely notepad that I got in Disney World that has all the autographs from the characters of Disney, and this one is 20,000 pesos. Very good. Now, let's go with this one. I know you have seen it before, but it's my favorite lamp that I used to study, and it's 35,000 pesos. Okay, I'm selling all of this today. What are you gonna buy? I have these rechargeable batteries, and this is 60,000 pesos. I also have a game of like a puzzle. It's a game, a tangram game, and this one is 12,000 pesos. And in my store, I also have this game that I like to play. It's called DOS, and is 30,000 pesos. I have this lovely blanket. My polar blanket is 70,000 pesos. My pencil case here, 15,000 pesos. And finally, the bubble, my bubble game, my bubble liquid is 5,000 pesos. You can do this also at home. Like, you can find some things that you wanna purchase or to sell to your family, and you're going to label those elements with price tags. This is a price tag. So once that you have all the price tags set, we are going to check the money. Do you have money? Do you really have money? Okay, I'm gonna start showing you my chart, this chart, because this is what we're gonna be using today. Remember that in math class we have something that is called place value, and in my place value chart I'm going to write down the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and now today we're gonna be having 10,000s. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my first bill that I know you know, and this is the 50,000 bill. 50,000 bill. How do you write this amount in with the numbers? How do you write it? Let's see. It looks like 50,000. Look, it has 0 units on the ones, 0 on the tens, 0 on the hundreds, 0 on the thousand, but it has 5 units in the 10,000s. That is 50,000. Now let's go with the next one. What color was the $50,000 pesos bill? It's like purple. Yes. Now let's go to this one. What number do you see on the bill? Yes, it's the 20. It means that this is a 20,000 pesos bill. Repeat, 20,000 pesos bill. And the 20,000 also has 4 zeros. Here you can see it. How many units on the 10,000s? Not 5, but 20, but 2. It has 0 on the thousands, 0 on the hundreds, 0 on the tens, 0 on the ones. But this is a big amount. Okay, let's keep going. Then my next bill is the, what do you think? I have 50, 20, then which one comes next? Very good. The 10,000 pesos bill. And this one has also units on the 10,000s. Look. 1 unit on the 10,000, 0 on the thousands, 0 on the hundreds, 0 on the tens, 0 on the ones. Let's keep going, and now it changes a little bit because we're going down. It means that we're not going to have 10,000s anymore because the next bill is the number. What number do you see there? Yes, 5. This is the 5,000 pesos bill. 5,000 pesos bill. And here you might see how it changes. How it changes, look. Now, we don't have units on 10,000s and we only have 1, 2, 3 zeros. It means that it has 5,000s, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. Great job. Now, let's keep going. I know you know this bill because this is the most popular one that you take for your cafeteria. On Fridays we get to buy some candy on the cafeteria and you pay with the 2,000 bill. Very good. This is the 2,000 bill and I'm going to write it on my board. And this is like this. As you can see, it also has 1, 2, and 3 zeros. No units on the 10,000s, 2 units on the thousands, no hundreds, no tens, no ones. And that's the 2,000 bill. Now, there is another bill that I couldn't get today, and that is the 1,000 bill, but I have a coin that replaces it. It looks like this. And this is my 1,000 coin that also has 3 zeros and no units on the 10,000s. Now we're gonna play a little bit, and this is the exercise that I want you to do because I sent an email with a printable of the Colombian bills. You can cut the bills and you can play with mommy and daddy how to which bills to give in order to buy. Today we're not gonna go over the change. No, we're going to think only which bills can I use to get what I want. So for example, I can do something that is very simple. If my Disney agenda is 20,000, guess what bill am I gonna use? Can you say it aloud? Yes, of course. If I want to pay for my Disney, I'm going to pay with my 20,000. So this is 20,000. I give 20,000. Very good. There are other examples that are easier. For what about my Lightning McQueen car? This one is 50,000. Guess what bill am I gonna use to pay 50,000 pesos? Very good. My 50,000 bill. Yes, but maybe there are some other elements that I cannot pay with only one bill. Let's think about maybe my rechargeable batteries that are 60,000. Did I show a 60,000 bill on my bills? Hmm? Time to think. No, you actually don't have a 60,000 pesos bill. So you need to add up in your head which of the bills can you use to pay. I have a 50, I have a 20, I have a 10, I have a 5, and I have a 2,000 bills, and I would like to know which one can I add up to make a 60,000 pesos. So if you can see the ones that I have right here, I can use probably my 50 plus my 10. How much is 50 plus 10, guys? Very good, 60,000. So if Miss Angelita gives this amount, I'll get my rechargeable batteries. Now, let's think about another difficult example. Okay, let's look at this one. My DOS game costs 30,000 pesos. Do I have a 30,000 pesos bill? I do not have it. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to add up in my head. Let's think about two bills that if I put them together, I get 30. What would you add? Huh? Tell me. Remember what I have. I have a 50. I have a 10. I have a 20. I have a 5. And I have a 2. Which one are you going to use? Think, think, think. Okay, I'm going to help you out. Of course, I'm going to be using my 20 and my 10. My 20 and my 10, because 20 plus 10 makes 30. And that'll be 30,000. Very good. Now let's see another example. Wow, this one is, well, you can use three bills on this one. My lamp is 35,000, 35. So remember for the last one that we used 10, we used 20, 10, 20, we used 10, I have 30, and it's 35,000, so I can use my 5,000 bill. So if I show you like this, 10, 20, and 5, it'll give me 35,000. With this amount of money, I can buy the lamp. Let's do one last exercise. What about my shapes? Those shapes cost 12,000. 12,000. Think about 12,000, 12,000. Which bill can I use? I need to use two bills here. I can use my 10 plus 2. That'll be 10 plus 2, 12. And that is exactly the amount of my shapes, 12,000. A quick exercise. Let's do my blanket. 70,000. Guess what bills are you gonna use? Of course, you're gonna use your 50 and your 20, because 50 plus 20, that is 70,000. Okay, so that was basically all. The objective of this class is to think which bills can I use to pay for different amounts. Okay, so you can practice this at home with the printable that I sent, and don't forget that if you are working with real money, go wash your hands thoroughly so you don't have any problems, and see you in my next class of math that we're going to be working on the change. Okay, so bye everyone, see you.